Good morning, guys. How are you today? I'm glad to be back in this new session, this new week with you. So I hope that you have a great weekend. Today is May 5, 2025. So for our learning target of the day, we have I can identify the place and value of digits in multi-digit numbers up to the thousands. So as you know, in our daily routine, we have our welcome activity. So, in this activity, you're going to tell me, okay, from 1 to 4, what's your mood today? What is your mood today? So, we have first, happy. Can you see that squirrel? She looks very happy. 2, wild. Wild, excited. Maybe you're grumpy. You don't want to talk with anybody today. Or last one, you're sleepy. So, but here I hope that anybody is sleeping. Okay, so let's continue with our next slide. Here we have a warm-up activity. Okay, remember that we're talking about the place values. Okay, so today you are going to participate in this activity, but first let me let me show you how to solve this first activity. Okay, first we have in each number, what is the value of the digit? And I'm going to say the digit, okay, and you're going to say tens, hundreds, okay, units, tens, hundreds, and so on, okay? So in the first one, we have, what is the value of the digit 4 here? What is the value of the digit 4 here? So we have that, we have that here, we have 1,000, okay? 1,000. The value of the 4 is 1,000. Very good. So let's continue with the next number, okay? But let's use the same number. In that way, we have 3 numbers for each one, okay? So John, what is the value of, let's change this for an equal, okay? For equal, okay? So what is the value of 2 here? What is the value of 2? Okay, it's equal to hundreds. Very good. Hundreds. Excellent. Now let's continue with Jennifer. What is the value for 3? Have now a link. Let me share the link with you. Share the link. Here we have. So join to the link. Then, okay, you have 30 seconds. Let's see who is the faster one here. Okay. Okay, now I see 3 students. Excellent. Perfect. John, Anna, and Jennifer. Nice. Okay, so what's the digit here? What's the digit here? So you're going to identify the 3 things that I'm going to read right now. Also, you can read on your screen, right? So on the next slide, look at the given number carefully. Okay, identify the digit that is in each place value by filling in the blanks. Talk to your partner and check to see if you both agree. Okay? Is it clear? Nice. Okay. So now here, first of all, I'm going to do the first one. Okay? I'm going to do the first one and you continue working with the next exercise. Okay? So, Jennifer, could you please help me reading these instructions for the activity? Thank you very much. Go ahead. Okay. Okay. Thank you. So, as Jennifer read before, so we have to place where are the tens, where are the hundreds, where are the thousands, where are the 10,000s, where are the ones, and where are the 100,000. So we have to draw the number that represent each value here, okay? So let's start. Let's use the crayon. I'm going to use the first one, okay? So we have tens. Where are the tens here? So remember that we start with units. We continue with tens. We continue with hundreds. Then we have thousands. Okay, nice. Then we have the 10,000. Excellent, Jennifer. And finally, we have the 100,000. Very good. You are on fire today. Excellent. I'm glad to hear that you're participating here. Nice. Okay, so let's start. I'm going to do the first one, tens. Let me see the tens. So as we said before, this first one, it's unit, so unit 5. So it must be here, right? 5. Okay, this is the unit. And then tens. We have tens here, okay? Tens, the number. So please read and answer. Okay, you have 3 minutes. Let's say let's do 3 minutes to complete this, okay? If you have any question, please let me know. Okay, read the instruction carefully and you complete this by yourself. Read each description carefully, write the number, describe it on the green line. 3 minutes. Okay, time is up. Let's continue with the next part. Okay. Let's continue with this next activity. So what is this number? So read the description carefully again. Write the correct number of the green line. Perfect. Let me help you with the first one. We have 700,000, right? We have 50,000. Okay. We have 4,000. Okay. Okay. Nice. Perfect. Okay, so you continue with the next ones, okay? Nice. Okay, finally, guys, let's do a quiz for you. In this case, we're going to have a multiple choice, okay, questions. So you're going to answer all these ones, okay? Perfect. Okay, guys, nice. So for today class, we study about place values up to thousands, right? So here we have that we work with units, tens, with hundreds, with thousands, with 10,000s, with 100,000s. Okay. So next class, we're going to continue until million. Okay. We're going to learn more numbers until millions. Okay. So I hope that you have a great session today. You have learned a lot. If you have any question, please let me know. Okay. If you want me to reteach any of this part, I'm more than glad to do it. I hope to see you next class. Okay. Thank you very much. Have a nice one. Bye-bye.